We are right outside the Abraham Lincoln Hotel in Reading, Pennsylvania. I believe this is the parking elevator. And we have an interesting Dover Impulse. Scenic on that side. Really interesting. Go to 6. Here we are at 6. Opens right out into the street. More trip up to 6. Don't know what that button is for. Standard parking elevator, definitely has seen its wear. Seems to be maintained pretty well, nonetheless. There we are at 6. There's an old workbench up here. See, that in the city of Reading, don't close on me. See stairs. And over there is the medical arts building, which is undergoing a full remodel. Elevators included. And we're stopping at 4 then.